Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have another really cute shadow box for you. This is my all packed up shadow box. How adorable is this design? You have all those essentials ready for your vacation. You've got the luggage there in the back, you have the camera down there, and then the little direction pin all ready to go. Some cute flowers and foliage in the background as well. Just a really fun, happy way to celebrate a vacation or just summertime decor. I can't wait to show this one to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, foam squares if you wish to add some dimension between the different layers, and then your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a different shadow box or for whatever reason and you need to resize the design, you can do that here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave those proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the cream or the light green color, green, dark brown, light brown or cream, brown, red, orange, and then yellow. If you want to add foam squares behind these different layers, I would probably suggest you do that behind the yellow and then the green color, because these other pieces need to layer together in order to really make the design work. But it's up to you however you want to put this together. I'm just going to layer everything inside the shadow box, so I'll go ahead and get that right now. I've gone ahead and added little pins to the backing piece, and now I'm just going to start to layer the design. Now I'll close up the shadow box. And there we have our cute travel shadow box. Well, what did you think of this one? I know that I love a packed suitcase. It just feeds my soul. It just, everything all organized and ready to go. I used to use packing cubes back in the day, but now I just kind of use up all of the space in the suitcase. I do the little like Wrangler or Ranger rolls to make every outfit all ready to go, so the kids can just pop it out and put it in a drawer or leave it in the suitcase and ready to go. Oh, I just love the way that all of the clothes look inside the suitcase. Probably because it doesn't last that long, especially once we get to our destination, but that's a whole other story. I hope that you like this project. If you make this one, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.